Hi guys, this is KAZi from Thailand, Pattaya Beach, and yeah, Happy New Year 2019 to all of my subscribers and my students and my followers. Happy New Year 2019. But this Happy New Year should bring you all of the happiness for sure. So let's enjoy this beach, and in this video from this year we will make some small video what will be some very important issue about forex trading and what can actually keep you in consistent profitable trader for sure. So today's video is about 3 golden rules and 3 very simple rules, but you must follow these things, and let's see if it is helpful and if you guys really love this video for sure. And with your request and comment and subscription, we're gonna discuss this matter more, so you guys can actually stay profitable for a long time. So what are the 3 ways to follow? First is actually simple strategy. So I'm gonna discuss about simple strategy, why it is important, but if you guys love, I'm gonna put my simple strategies in my upcoming videos, so you're gonna actually get lots of simple strategies to follow. And second is proper risk management. That is little bit actually critical, but same time easier. I will actually give you guys the easiest risk management system, so you guys can follow also. And if you like that risk management, we're gonna elaborate more, no problem, in upcoming videos. And another one is actually strong psychology to follow. So that is the most important thing you can consistently follow, is strong psychology. So if you like my elaboration inside this video, then we're gonna actually elaborate more, no problem. But these 3 information you must know to become profitable trader or consistent profitable trader in 2019. So number 1, simple. Oh, what he is doing, simple strategy number 1. So you must have a okay, you must have a simple strategy. So what do I mean by simple strategy? Actually, if you are in forex, actually some people actually do lots of indicator, blah blah blah, all this kind of thing, and they want to make their chart very heavy, and they want to use lots of indicator, all those kind of thing. They think that those are the holy grail and all those kind of thing, but it's not true. I mean, if you have lots of indicator in front of you, it's so hard to follow the game, you know. So what you can do is you have to have a very simple strategy. Like, see, they're actually using those jet ski, and some people are there using sailboat. Everything have a strategy in this world, but if it is not simple, it will be very hard to follow. So my rules for forex trading is I use very simple strategy, but obviously with understanding of market structure and all those kind of thing. If you don't understand market structure and all those kind of thing, you cannot get a very simple strategy. So already we have discussed PIF in our forex FX High 5 website, and already we did a season, and there my student can follow me with those strategy. But in this upcoming 2019 actually days, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some very simple strategy you can follow. I mean, even if it is with Bollinger Band or MACD, whatever indicator you say, you can have a very simple strategy based on that. But remember, don't try to combine so many indicators and all those kind of thing. But I will give you guys exactly what type of indicator you need. in one strategy we will use only one indicator, not more than that. But this method will become profitable or consistent for you because of our next topic, that is risk management. So the risk management in this video, the main attraction is risk management. If you follow my risk management system, any strategy can work. It will give you consistent profit, because most of the forex trader do what? Most of the forex trader actually what to say, they actually gain some money, and after that they actually give away the profit to the market. So my risk management system is based on, we will learn to keep our profit on those things, so that's what we're gonna do. So we will discuss more about this simple strategy in upcoming videos. There will be a tons of series of simple strategy, and after that, with our next topic, risk management, you can actually use those simple strategy for sure. But if you really wants to start trading right away with a profitable technique, I will recommend 100% 2019 PIP will be the best strategy for you. So you guys can go to FX High Five and see our tutorial from there, no problem. So risk management, see, I'm just walking and somebody put something here, so now I avoid the risk to get fall down. So that is called a risk management. So in forex trading, obviously you should have a proper risk management system. Without risk management system, you cannot actually win this war. Some people might think that, oh, okay, money management system. No, it's not about money management system. Money management system is different. Risk management system is very different. So what is risk management system? Risk management system is, suppose you take a trade and you lost the trade. So you give away your money, or it could be your profit you have given away in the, forex market. So you might think, okay, if you actually lose some money from your investment, you are worried. But if you are losing some money from your profit, so you are not worried and let it go. So it's not like so. We will not let go our profit or our investment in the market very easily. So that is why we will create a very calculative risk management system, what gonna keep your profit consistently. Even if you lose, you cannot win every single trade for sure, but if you even lose your profit or investment, so you must have a proper risk management system that you can regain your profit or investment back. So that kind of thing, and it's based on your investment, it's based on your profit and all those kind of things. And I'm gonna create a proper video on this risk management system that can be actually applied with any sort of strategy you want in this world. And also in my upcoming simple strategy videos series, actually you can apply this risk management system for sure. Our third point is strong psychology. That is the main end strength you can follow in your forex trading. So psychology is something, actually it's a very vary to different person. So a strong psychology you must keep. So what strong psychology I am talking about is, you follow your first 1 and 2 rules strongly. That is your strong psychology. Very simple. You follow your first rule, simple strategy, whatever you choose. And obviously my given risk management system, you have to follow with that, whatever simple strategy you have. But to follow these 2 rules, 2 strategy, you must have a strong psychology. Whatever happen, you will follow that. If you can do that, it's very easy to get consistent success with forex trading. And in one of my upcoming title, there will be do it for 20 days. do it for 20 days and see yourself, not in live account, I will say in demo account, and see yourself the improvement and all this kind of thing. That video is coming also, so stay tuned, subscribe and all this kind of thing, and don't forget to click on the ring bell so you get my update of the videos. So that is it. So strong psychology is very important, which is very simplified in this video. Follow rule number 1, simple strategy, whatever you choose, whatever you like from my upcoming series of simple strategy videos. And also the risk management, there will be only one risk management video, and you have to combine the risk management video with your simple strategy. And third number is you have to follow the strong psychology with them. Mean the two strategy you must actually combine with that. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and in my upcoming video I will discuss first risk management system, and also second is obviously the simple strategy series is coming. Obviously it's number 1, but same time to time I will give you guys the psychological thing, what you have to do, mean to upgrade your psychology, more strong to follow only 2 rules: simple strategy and risk management system. That is it, guys, for this video. I don't want to elaborate, and again, happy new year 2019, and hope in my upcoming videos you're gonna see more detailed things, and hope these videos can actually help you in the long run. Thank you.